Okay, y'all. June's IPSY bag is here. Let's see what's in it. Let's get right to it. All right. Ooh, okay. Here's the little bag. Everything came in. Says Marilyn Monroe on it. Has the little kisses, the little pouch. Isn't that cute? Okay. As always, they give you the brochure. Let me get up close to make sure y'all see it. This is June's brochure, and inside it gives you everything that's in your little bag. That's in here, almost everything, because we'll see. So everything's there, and on the back, of course, it gives you a sneak peek of things that's coming up. All right, so let's get right to it. Let's start with the biggest thing. Says Moon Slice. It is a eyeshadow little kit. So let's see what that's about. I'm not a big eyeshadow girl. I don't do a lot of makeup anyway. I need to be able to get in and out the house in like 10 minutes. I don't need anything that takes a long time unless I'm getting dolled up. But those are pretty. Those colors are very pretty. Do y'all see those? Get it real close up for y'all. So that's the eyeshadow kit. Those are pretty. I might play around with those. I kind of like that. So that's the eyeshadow kit. Let's see. On to the next. We have Vitamin C Drops by Rodell. So vitamin C, see that? Says you put it on a clean face and neck, 2 to 3 drops. We're going to use that. We can also always use some good old vitamin C drops. So that's what that's looking like. Next thing is some brushes for your eyes. It's a brush kit by Lucky Chick. See those right there? Should be able to see that. Hopefully it takes some of the glare out, but you should be able to see it. Okay. Next up is a lip liner duo. 2 colors are Nude Protocol and Deep Seek. Right there. You see that? Let's see what they look like. If I can get it open. I'm just dropping everything. This one is Deep Seek. Right here. Let's put it on. Ooh, I just broke it. Okay. Well, it's okay. It's really light. I don't know if y'all can see that. But that's what that one's looking like. Put the tip on that one. And this one is Nude Protocol. See what Nude Protocol looks like. That's Nude Protocol. They feel real creamy. So that'll be fun to play with. Do a lip liner from time to time. So, and we got one more thing. Last but not least, it says Rare Beauty. It is a blush, melting blush, in the color Nearly Mauve. This is cute. Isn't that cute? Look at that. That's what the color looks like on the inside. That's pretty and creamy. See that right there? So that's what that's looking like. So that is my bag for June. See you again next month with another one. Till next time. Bye. I'm sorry y'all couldn't see everything with the lighting, so that's why I'm showing it here at the end so that y'all can actually see what all of the products look like. So here they are up close. My camera was giving a lot of glare, but here it is. This is everything that was in the box that I just showed y'all. Bye.